Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Y'all know what to do. Another day in the market, man. Let's get it. Market bullish, bearish little day. Pulling back a little bit, but that don't mean nothing. It's part of the game of the stock market. For y'all beginners that's trading, if you're not ready to see your stocks go up and down, one day might be up, one day down. Sometimes trading sideways, if it don't want to go up, it don't want to go down, just stagnant, then you're in the wrong game. One thing about the stock market, you never lose until you hit the sell button. When your stocks is down, they call that an unrealized gain. An unrealized loss. Meaning you are in the red, you're down, yeah, you're taking a loss, but it's unrealized because you haven't sold it. The only way it become realized is when you sell it, and then they count it as a realized loss. Well, if you up, say you up $500 on one stock, one play, they call that a unrealized gain because it's not realized until you sell it. Yeah, you up $500, but you can't withdraw or have possession of that money until you sell it. So that's what's great about the stock market. You only up or down, but you never take a gain or a loss until you sell it, which make it a realized gain or loss. Once you sell it, it's a realized gain or realized loss. But just looking at it, not selling it, just realizing that the day you're down or the day you're up, that is an unrealized gain or loss. So just a couple jewels quick. All right, y'all, let's give ourselves a raise. Buy a golden goose. Look at what stocks we're going to swing trade. I actually want to do this with y'all, but I don't like having two portfolios, two positions in certain stocks. I wanted to do a swing trade with y'all with Wendy's. I got Wendy's in my Cash App portfolio. But I think I'm going to go ahead and do it though with y'all anyway. We got Wendy's at 1680. I want to do that with y'all, but let's go to I'm going to show y'all something real quick. I gave y'all this on yesterday and some other videos for y'all that pay attention and listen. USOY. This it pays a monthly dividend. This covered calls on oil. Last month it paid a dividend of 77 cents a share. It pays out monthly. People doing cover calls, doing options on oil. If y'all watch my video, you would have heard me say I thought about changing out USOI for USOY. USOI is the Credit Suisse exchange traded notes. Doing cover calls on oil too. But you see the price difference, and USOY pays a way higher dividend yield than USOI does. But USOI is still not bad to have. Just don't load up on it. I just buy fractional shares. I buy a share when it's about $68 and under. Like the day I'm catching it at, it's up now, but at $669.90 is still not bad. A bad buy. So I'm gonna get $5 worth of that. I have a position of USOY in my Webull portfolio. I put a buy order in at $16.91 and at $16.77. So y'all do that if y'all wanna get a position in that stock. If you interested in doing options on oil. We're gonna go back to HRZN. Horizon. I've been buying that the last 2 days, but not on yesterday because it's been up. The day is up too. But for y'all that like this play, it pays a dividend of 11 cents a share a month. As you see, I got a dividend coming for the 13th of September, 69 shares, 11 cents a share, $7.60. Dividend yield of right at 11%. I think it's dividend yield 11.85. Pays out monthly, 52-week low, $10.51, 52-week high, $13.73. I already got a buy order in. I know I got one in at 11. 5 shares at 11. And I got 5 at 10.51, which is probably won't never go back to that. But I'm gonna do 11.05 too for 5 shares. I like it at really 11.10 and under. It's a buy for me to nibble at it. I'm gonna put 11.05. I need to come down in it anyway. Another one I brought some of, well, in buy range I like at 10.80 and under, Western Union. 11.72 I can do. And $5 worth of that. This will go back above the $12 range. Another one is RYLD. We're gonna go at 10.89 today. Well, 15.89. I'm sorry, 15.89. Get another share. Like I said, I love this stock at 16 and under. I buy a share every day. If it's 15.85 and under, I go harder. I mean, I buy like 5 shares. 5 shares a day at that price. I showed you USOI. We're going to go back to ORC, Orchid Island. I'm nibbling down at this at 8.20 and under. Got down today. See if any of my other shares. I know 8.15 didn't hit that yesterday. That's Robinhood for you. It got down to 8.16 today. I got some buy orders already in. I'm going to just get $10 worth today. Just pays a dividend of 12 cents a month. Another one for y'all in another brokerage account. Sorry, but got notifications popping up on my tablet. All right, we're going to ACP. This is a closed-end fund. Come on, man, get off. Dude, you're killing me. All right, sorry about that, but I'm back. This is a closed-end fund, pays a dividend of 10 cents a share. 6.50 and under is a buy. You can nibble at it. I like it 6.40 and under, especially at 6.30 and under. 52-week low, 5.55. You can catch this around $6. It's perfect, but you very rare that you will. Just because of the dividend yield, people gonna buy it. But I put a buy order in at 6.43 today. Sleeping Giant, man. Intel. Everybody going for Nvidia. AMD is joining forces with another company to take down and tackle Nvidia. I like this at 21 and under. I'm gonna nibble at it. If I can get it in them lower 20s, that'll be perfect. I can go harder, throw 5 or 10 at it. Right now, just throw something at it. Dollar cost average on in. I brought $5 in my other portfolio. I got 2 positions of this one. One I'ma sell and one I'ma keep. Also, I got this in another portfolio, my Cash App portfolio, also with Intel. UPS is in a good buy, is in buy range, and in a good place for you to start a position in it. PE ratio 20.8. Probably got some room to come down, but it's a good price for you to start nibbling at it. Dividend yield 5.08%. Market cap 109 billion. 52-week high is 172.75. So we ride back up. You got a upside of $50 a share. That's everything I brought today, or am buying. Potential buys. All right, let's go through our regular trading session. Walgreens, like I say, not gonna say enter at your own risk. I like this better. Which I am down in it. If I was you, I probably wouldn't go with any of them. I would do I would throw my money in Walmart. I would do Walmart before a CVS and a Walgreens. One thing I like about Walmart is they got the pharmacy, and they got the grocery, and they got the home, what you want to call it, home essentials, I guess you want to say. They got the hygiene products. Walmart is a one-stop shop. CVS and Walgreens is too, but they're not nowhere near on the scale of a Walmart. The size of them, man. I mean, a Walgreens and a CVS gonna be on the corner of every neighborhood or block. They got to compete with local investor convenience stores, but they are there. I basically look at it like an upscale corner convenience store with a pharmacy, attached to it. So, but they are catching hell. Everything that's brick and mortar, you gotta the business down, the revenues down. Also, they catching hell dealing with theft, with people coming in stealing and taking certain stuff. In certain states like California, you can't even I think it's over $1,000. Anything under $1,000, they come in there and steal. You can't even touch them. You gotta let them take it and go. And I think if you do touch them, if anything that's $500 or less or $1,000 or less, you might get arrested for it, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, but they got them kind of laws in certain states. I think every state differ. According to like the value. But they are catching hell. That's why I am trading them for my exit strategy. Shall I say, if I was a new investor coming, I wouldn't touch it. I will put my money in Walmart. All right, Leggett and Platt. See, that's doing something. I need to buy a couple shares of that weekly. I know I'm not the only person that is down in that stock, but if you are upside down in it, just dollar cost average in it, don't load up on anything. I could swing trade up out of it. I keep forgetting to do my charting on it, so I'm able to do that, but it's all good. All right, got Gladstone Investment. This here, they pay out monthly dividend every month. They pay 8 cents a share a month. Dividend yield is it's my internet to catch up. There we go. 7.21%. I would nibble at it at this price. Is it at its 52-week low? No. But I add on a fraction of a share. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Pay a dividend every month. And a dependable dividend. A dependable, consistent dividend every month. Granted Point, we know this in the $2 range. They're still catching hell too, but this will benefit when the interest rates get cut. All REITs and all financial, the REITs and the financial sectors, that's all it dealing with the real estate and banks. Comcast was pulling on back. This is a buy and hold stock that hikes its dividend, but not in my buy range. SBSW. Anybody want to invest in a mining company? This is what this here is. Pay a small dividend. This actually, man, like I said, this here took a beating too. 6.64% yield. Now market cap $3.04 billion. I remember back in 2020, 21, man, this thing had a market cap of like $60 billion. It was paying a huge dividend, man. I mean, a nice one. But economy went on down, man, especially when COVID and stuff hit, and all businesses took losses, man. They down 5.6%. Charge Point down 3.89. At 186, I'm not touching it. I like it at 180 and under. I nibble at it. 170 and under, I buy a couple shares. Goro at 41 cents. I'm not touching it. Too high for me. I get at 36 and under. Them just some of my swing plays with people that watch the channel. MetaFast. I can do this. This going to be a long-term play and hold. For y'all that are not in it, do not get in it. Unless you like taking on risk. I'm just going to trade myself up out of it. And I think it has had good earnings. But once that stock has a couple quarters of good earnings, everything will be fine. I think for it, and don't let it reinstate its dividend. And that thing would definitely shoot up. Ajax, another one pays a decent dividend. Come on down in it. It's gonna benefit. Also, once these rates get cut, I just want to lower my average cost. All right, we're going with I gave y'all the Intel play already. Gave y'all that one earlier when the video started. Part of my urgent buy list. They say gold just reached a new high. Yep, $20.30. It's got a 52 high, 2089, 1.95% dividend yield. Really need to be selling this, but they ain't got a lot of it, so it really don't make no difference to me. Let it hold on to it. If it go up some more, I'ma sell it. UAN pays a good dividend. According to the revenue it makes. This one here, they sell like fertilizers and stuff. Ammonia and urea, ammonium nitrate fertilizers. Yeah. Company founded June 1st, 2007. Headquartered in Sugar Land, Texas. All right, dividend yield 13.12%. PE ratio at 15. It's under 20. So it's coming down in buy range. I'm gonna buy some to come on down in it. As you can see this here. Show you my last dividend in it. I just got a dividend. 38.78. Paid $1.90 a share. And I'm gonna show you the one before that. Sorry, man. Come on back. Here we go. And the one before that, quarter before that, I got one for $39.18, $1.92 a share. So I'm gonna get at 38. The last payment I got, $38.78. About to get that back now. Sorry, buying dollars, 38.78. Just reinvest the dividend into the company. If it goes back down, I will buy some more. But let them get that. This is Angus, the grocery store. What we doing? 2.84 shares. Okay. Nibble at that. Is it this 52-week low? No. But that's why I say nibble at it. It is in my buy range. Grocery store is not going anywhere. I went in one of those when I was in Cashiers, North Carolina. That's the only place I ever seen one. I was in the mountains doing hiking, and that was the only store they had. It's a decent store. Price is high, but I was in the mountains, so whenever you inland, it's gonna be high anyway. But it, whether the store was good or bad, they didn't have any other places to shop at as far as grocery stores. That was like the main chain up in the Carolina the mountains. When you're in the Blue Ridge area, the only thing you got, whatever chain they might have, and you got general stores which are owned by you know, the locals. You call them general stores, and the only other stores you got to shop at are Dollar Generals. So whether they like that store or not, they don't have a choice. If you need food in that area, that's the first place you're going to go and buy. Unless you about to ride over to another city or town that might have like a Publix or something, whatever local chain they might have. But like I say, up in that area, only where I stayed at, they only had that store there, Angles. So anyway, man, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. All we're gonna do for the day. Let me check out Spit real quick. They paid 33 cents a share dividend. 52-week low, 18.28. Get a little $3 worth. Just add on to it. Pays a consistent dividend though. Alright, man, we out. I do some more videos. Check them out. Share my channel also, man. And talk to you later. Go get your money.